Hi everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been so long since I last did a talking video, and today I will make a vlog with me talking, so bear with me. I don't have any class today, but me and my friend Chita thought it will be fun to just study outside, and maybe we'll go to Starbucks this morning. I already did my skincare routine. I used the CeraVe hydrating cleanser, and then I use a La Roche-Posay moisturizer. Now I'm gonna use this La Roche-Posay Anti-Lius sunscreen. Now, while waiting for the sunscreen to dry out, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using this NYX Tame and Frame in the shade Black.
I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays, even with the sunshine.
My eyebrows are done, and the next step is concealer. This is the concealer that I'm going to use. It's a local brand, Indonesian local brand, Matte. It is their Spotless Serum Concealer, and I use the shade W1. I use a little bit of it under my eyes. And some of my acne scars, and a little bit on my forehead. So I'm just going to dab it with this beauty blender. And after I'm done with my concealer, I don't like to use any other base makeup. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is blush. I love this cream blush. I'm a big fan of cream blushes, and I don't really like powder blush. So I'm using this shade Quickie from Milk Makeup. And this is how it looks. Dabbing a little bit on the apple of my chin. It's really pigmented, which I love, because I don't have to reapply 100 times a day. And I'm just going to blend it with my beauty blender. Maybe I'll add a little more. Blend it with my hand. The next thing that I'm going to do is powder. And now that the makeup is done, the last step is to use lip tint. I use this Dior Lip Tattoo in the shade 771. I like to top it off with this gloss from Maybelline. This is the Lifter gloss in the shade Topaz 009. I'm just putting a little bit of this gloss on the outer corner of my lips. And that's it. And now I'm all done. This is my everyday makeup that I use if I have class or if I'm going anywhere and I want to feel pretty. And this is all of the makeup that I use. By the way, I just bought this wet brush on the drugstore yesterday, and I kind of love how it feels on my hair. I feel like my hair is so much softer when I use this wet brush. Very shining. Now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm going to change my clothes, so I'll be right back. Hello! I already changed my outfit for the day. This shirt is from Polo, and then the vest from Shopee. I also got this black jeans from Shopee, and today's scent is this Valentino Uomo. So I got this sample perfume from a mall in Denmark, and Valentino Uomo. I'm just gonna use this. Mau jatuh. I love sample perfumes because I get to bring this and it fits right into my pockets. Let's go. Now we're on our way to Starbucks, and today we're matching some gray on black. Yes.
Just ain't easy for me. Oh baby, won't you come to my town? Last time around you ain't come to my house. Stay for a while, me, my mama and my family. We'll see, let's see. I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. I don't know why. You love that summer rain. Mid-July, I think that we're overdue. You and I know that we'll make it through.
Kira ini grande.
Telling you why.
I got the usual caramel macchiato, but I added some sweet foam on top of it. You have to try the foam.
Kenapa? So dari lipnya apa?
It's not like the usual foam. It's like sweet cream.
You've been through a whole lot, but I have too. So baby, when you're missing me and it feels right, and I'm in your dreams like every night, I don't know why you won't give me another chance. With all our years in an hourglass, yeah. I think I've fallen for you. I don't know why.
I'm to work on my final exam.
You love that summer rain in mid-July. I think that we're overdue. You and I know that we'll make it through. Telling you why. I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. You love that song.